Here we are in sunny Kelowna. We've just done a trenchless water main. This water main was 94 feet long. There's the pipe we've pulled through. We're gonna be attaching to the curb stop. Now this water main went all the way straight through there, and it took a big corner into the back of the home, which I'll show you in a moment. Okay, here we are on the inside of the home. So we're about 5-6 feet deep, maybe a little less. 4 feet deep. We opened up a little bit bigger of a hole in this one just because it took such a big corner. We didn't want anything to rub, which it didn't. It was beautiful. Very smooth, 94-foot long pole. So the guys are just going to start connecting everything again now. So that's another trenchless water line that we've done for Lily Family Heating and Plumbing in sunny Kelowna.